In 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, my name is Josie and welcome to another episode of Luxe Unboxing. I am here today to do a super cute Hermes haul. Now, I have been waiting to actually open some of these items, so I'm going to do it right now. Can't wait to share with you guys what I got. So the first item, let's just get right to it, right, is something obviously from Hermes, and I actually have been looking for something like this for a while, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. Here's the box that it comes in. I'm all so eager. I'm not even showing it to you guys, but here is the necklace. If you guys can take a look. It's so cute. It's the As de Coeur necklace, and it was a part of a collection. It was actually from around Valentine's Day. They sold out pretty quick. I've actually been waiting just to open it up and share it with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. It is really cute and just really dainty and everything. And I'm going to go ahead and just put it on right now. So hopefully it doesn't take me forever, but let's go ahead and do this. And I'll take some pictures for you guys too. So let's see if you guys can see that. Look how cute she is. And I love hearts. Anything with hearts, I totally love. So I think it's like the perfect necklace for me. And I just love the way it looks. So that's the first item. And the second item is actually pretty similar to the first. Like I said, I love hearts. So here is the second item. It is going to be the same exact necklace in a different color. So I just got one and then I loved it so much. I ended up getting the other just because I think it's so cute. I will show you guys some pictures, but it's great because you can kind of wear it every day. You can dress it up if you want to, but I just really like the way it looks, the way it sits on you. It's like a perfect length for me, and I just love the way the back looks, if you guys can see that. I will take some close-up shots of it and everything, but yeah, it's really cute. It's a heart-shaped necklace, and here's the black one, and here is the brown one. So as you guys can tell, it's very simple and just, you know, it's not like too blingy or too big or anything. You can definitely wear this every day, but it's such a cute necklace, and I just love the way it looks. Hermes actually has some really great jewelry that you guys can use on a daily basis, and that's like not super fancy. So that's it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one back in the box, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my next item. I don't know if you guys watched the other video that I had. It is super cute sneakers that I have wide feet, so it's actually really hard to find stuff that fits me because it'll fit like the length. I have actually small feet, they're like size 6, but it's just really wide, and like not super wide, but it's wide enough so when I get like shoes like Nike, it's really tight. So I always wear like Ultra Boosts and stuff because they're really like, it's, you know, mesh, and it's just, you know, easier to use and more stretchy. So this next one, if you guys already saw my other video, you guys might see what this one is or know what it is, but I have been looking for like really great sneakers for summer. So this is, oh, look at that. There's the receipt, and it comes with extra shoelaces. So let me go ahead and show you guys what this is. Let's see here. All right. Now, here is, ta-da! It's sneakers. It's the Hermes Addict sneakers, but this one is like super bright. The other one I got originally was like a blue color, so it was really dark. But it's perfect for summer. It is so bright. My husband said that if we're shopping, he could spot me from like a mile away because it's super bright. But I really like the way it looks, and it is super stretchy. I love the, you know, the color of this. It has a cute little H in the bottom, and it actually looks like there might be like a piece in here, but it's all like one piece. It's like this really cute mesh sneaker, which I love because it makes it really roomy and really stretchy. But yeah, this is the color. It's silver and gold, so if you're a big fan of silver or gold, this will totally be like perfect for you. It has the little H on the side, but it's really hard to see. It's kind of like really like iridescent almost. So I really love my other sneakers, and I'm really hoping to get good use out of this one too. So I can't wait to, you know, wear these ones out. It's perfect for summer. I'm actually going to Vegas this weekend, so maybe I'll use it then. But yeah, here it is. Both of the shoes right here. So I just really love the way it looks. I think it's going to be perfect. Like I said, if you have wide feet, this is such a great choice for you because my feet are wide and the other ones fit me perfectly. And it's great because they're easy to get in and out of. Like I said, it's really nice too because they do also include another set of laces. So when yours is dirty, just go ahead and wash them out. And it comes in these cute little bags. I like these things because you can use them like when you're out, you know, on a trip, and then you can put your jewelry inside in there. That way you don't lose it. Or like a hand sanitizer too. It's a perfect use for that. But yeah, these are the Hermes Addict sneakers. Like, I just really love the way that they look. I think it's a great fit for me. I hope that you guys get a chance to try them on at the store. You're always welcome to order them online. Some of the sizes are sold out. They do go out really quickly. So just make sure that you guys keep an eye out for that. So that is going to be one of the items on here. And the next item that we are going to be talking about too is, I don't know if you guys are aware, but Hermes actually carries a super cute makeup line. I was at the store and I just kind of saw it on the side. I've never bought any makeup from them or anything, but I just decided to get this lipstick, and it is number 17, beige sateen. I will take a closer look so you guys can see the color, but they actually have a wide range of lipsticks, and they just came out with some really cute summer colors. But I just really was impressed with the way it looked. And here's the container that it's in right here, if you guys can see that. And let's see. So here's the lipstick. Comes in this really cute container. You guys know me and my little pouches and stuff. But yeah, here is the super cute color right here. You guys can see that. And has a signature orange. And here's the color. I will take more close-up shots of this, and then that way you guys can see what the color is. But yeah, and I love the fact that it's actually magnetic. So that's really cute. And it's like, you know, always definitely going to stay closed, because sometimes if you don't seal it in tightly, it does get open and stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what other colors they have. So I might go back and get other shades, but there's definitely some really cute ones for summer. So make sure you guys check that out. I believe that they also sell at Nordstrom. I've seen it at Nordstrom, maybe Saks or Neiman's, but check that out too. So this is the one I got at the Hermes store. And last but not least is something that a lot of you guys probably already have or have already seen, but I just really wanted to show off the really cute box that it came in, because look how cute that is. It says Benvien. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong, but and it has a cute little shop right here in the box. But this is my last unboxing. I think that I've actually been waiting to get these for a long time, so I cannot wait to wear them. I'm a little bit worried though, because I do, like I said, have wide feet. So I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you posted and see how they look on me. But I just wanted to include it with the haul that I have with all the other stuff. So it is, I don't know if you guys have any guesses, but it's perfect for summer, especially if you're going to be going to like super cute places. And dun, 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 it is the ORAN sandals from Hermes. Like, I kid you not, guys, been wanting this for like a whole year, and it's really hard to find sometimes, especially like this color. So I've been keeping an eye out and waiting, and I was able to actually order these. They didn't even have it in my size, so I had to order them. I did try on the size 6 and the 6.5, and they were too tight on me, so this is a 7. I have not tried it on yet, so I'm hoping that they're gonna fit, but I wanted to show it to you guys first. But if you guys have not seen these, they're really cute. They're perfect flats for summer. They're nice, cute sandals, and I just really like how it's very simple. You could wear it with jeans. You can dress it up. Like, I could probably wear it with what I'm wearing today, or just, you know, some cute little summer dress. But it's perfect for like walking around, and I'm hoping that they're comfortable. Like I said, I have yet to walk around and try them on. I just got them, so I wanted to share it with you guys and include with all the other stuff that I got. But these are it, the ORAN sandals. You guys can see in the back, it does say made in Italy, so it's just a really cute pair of shoes. And I hope that you guys like my haul. So comment down below. Let me know which is your favorite items. Obviously, I think I'm wearing my favorite item. This is definitely going to get a lot of use because I love hearts. And it's just very, like I said, casual and something I can use all the time. So yeah, just let me know. And make sure you guys hit like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully you guys get a chance to watch the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
it.